Hi, my name is Jonathan. I'm an ECE 342, and I am taking a look at the power supply and management device that we took a look at in KI number 4. And so after the op amp is really where it gets interesting, because what we have after the op amp is a signal that may not be the right frequency. It's going to be the frequency likely of the mobile device that this system is implemented in. And so we're going to mix that with a local oscillator, which will get the frequency into the right range so that it can be output from this antenna properly. Likely if it's a mobile device, we're not going to be able to have a very long wavelength. So because of that, the frequency is going to be a little bit higher than you would with a larger antenna. And so once we get the local oscillator, or I guess past the local oscillator in the mixer right here, which we're used to change the frequency, then we get to the power amplifier, which is pretty self-explanatory. That amplifies the power to a more optimal range, so that the once it gets to the antenna, the signal can actually propagate farther. Then after it gets to the power amplifier, then we get to the bandpass filter. The bandpass filter pretty much cleans up the signal that we're getting, so it kind of just has a specific range where the frequency that you want is actually being output. It'll cut off any small frequencies or large frequencies. It can also be used to clean up noise. And then once it gets past the bandpass filter, then it gets output to the antenna. The antenna is where 342 actually comes in. So we'll basically have a varying voltage right here. That varying voltage will have an electric field associated with it, and that electric field will then create a magnetic field propagating along the contour, and so that changing magnetic field will then cause a subsequent changing electric field, and then that process will continue on, propagating the electric and magnetic field through space. And that's all the time I have. Thank you.